Hey everybody, Scott here, and these are the new products for March 2020. The Life is Better at the Campsite trucker hat. It's an olive color, features a unique Life is Better at the Campsite logo, has a mesh back, it has snap adjustment, so it is one size fits most. English only, retail packaging. Next up, we have Life is Better at the Campsite cookie cutters. It's perfect for RV enthusiasts who want to make RV and camping shaped cookies. It comes in a 2-pack. We've got a campfire shaped cookie cutter, and we've got a retro RV shaped cookie cutter. It's made from food safe plastic, and it comes in English only retail packaging. Next up, we have the Life is Better at the Campsite napkins. Come in unique Life is Better at the Campsite designs. We've got a campsite design, we've got a map design. They measure 6.5 inches by 6.5 inches. They unfold to 13 inches by 13 inches. They're perfect for everyday meals or special occasions. So get your Life is Better at the Campsite napkins today in English only retail packaging. Next up, we have the large remote holder. Has 3 compartments for remotes of various sizes. It's also great for holding markers, pens, glasses, TV remote, media player remote, or your phone. It's made of durable polypropylene. It comes with 2 screws for mounting, and it comes in English only retail packaging. Next up, we have the bed springs. They make your RV or boat mattress more comfortable. You mount these to your bed platform, and depending on the orientation or spacing, you can customize the firmness of your RV or boat bed. They're constructed of durable polymer. They measure 4.5 inches by 4 7/8 inch, and they are 2.5 inches tall uncompressed. They come in 2 firmnesses. We have the dark gray, which is a more firm, and the light gray, which is a less firm. They come in a kit of 100, they come in a kit of 30, and they come in a kit of 10, and in a combination of using the different kits, you can fit these to your bed platform. You can check out our video for more details. They come in bulk packaging. And that about wraps it up for our new product for March 2020. Thank you for watching.
Camco.net.